Returning to wealthy coins, howdy everyone. Tomorrow is the day you can download Shiba Inu coins. Notable announcement regarding Shiba Eternity. With the Shiba Eternity download day just around the corner, Shiba Inu appears to be finalizing plans for the complete launch of its Shiba Inu game. The Vietnam launch of Shiba Eternity test has taken place. The complete launch of the game is something that Shiba holders are anxiously anticipating. This Vietnam location wall may be evading certain gamers. The developers of Shib had to quadruple the capacity of the servers in order to meet the demand. Tomorrow is Shiba Inu coin download day and we'll be talking about it in this video. Huge news about the Shib Eternal. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. Tuesday saw uneven trading for major cryptocurrency tokens as investors were rattled by increased inflation fears and the U.S. Federal Reserve's hawkish stance. The U.S. Federal Open Market Committee minutes, which indicated the bank would keep its existing inflation prescription of 75 basis points interest rate, caused most cryptocurrency tokens to fall by as much as 20% in the week after their release. While Shiba Inu was trading at a 2% drop, Cardano and Ethereum were fighting its gains at a similar rate. At $1.02 trillion, the market cap of all cryptocurrencies was little altered from the previous day, although it was trading slightly higher. Nonetheless, the overall trade volume surged by more than 18%, approaching $70.62 billion. The price of Shiba Inus is displaying highly negative technical indicators, which raises the possibility that a reversal of fortunes is about to occur. According to the technical analysis, a five-wave impulse into the bullish goals could be followed by an immediate liquidation. Both bullish targets were met on August 15 when the Shiba Inu price increased by 35% in a single day. Due to the influx of buyers, the Relative Strength Index deemed the Shiba Inu price as more overbought compared to its February 2022 trading level of $0.00003261 USD, which was over 15 times higher. At the peak of the price increase, there was an inflow of bearish volume and a classic bearish ramping pattern, which occurred alongside the RSI bearish divergence. The current market value of Shiba Inu is $0.00001304 USD. The media continues to splash headlines around the burning of Shiba Inu tokens despite the severe negative signals. In the summer of 2022, 400 trillion tokens were destroyed, according to the Economic Times. Some Twitter users have weighed in on the debate by offering theoretical models that speculate on how the destruction of SHIB coins would affect the value of Shiba Inus and the ecosystem as a whole. An influential Twitter user and supporter of SHIB has predicted that 111 trillion tokens would be destroyed in the next few months. The price of Shiba Inus has not followed the burnt token idea closely, even though the market is bullish. From a technical perspective, the SHIB price has failed to consistently increase, and the recent 35% surge might have been too strong for the bulls to maintain. The most recent pump and dump scenario throws off the prior technical predictions, which had predicted a further 25% drop. Near the liquidity levels of 0.000970 in the short term, there are bearish goals of interest. A break in closing above 0.001700 invalidates the bearish argument. If the bulls can break over this level, it might set the stage for a bullish scenario with a target of $0.001978, which would be 52% higher than the current price of Shiba Inus. Despite the penny from Eiffel-style fall, the Shiba Inu pricing market sentiment remains positive. The price of Shiba Inus is displaying highly negative technical indicators, which raises the possibility that a reversal of fortunes is about to occur. A five-wave impulse into the bullish goals was indicated by the technicals, which might lead to a quick liquidation. Since its inception in 2020, Shiba Inu, one of the leading meme currencies, has experienced tremendous gains. Thanks to its impressive performance, Shiba Inu has quickly become one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies, and it is currently ranked in the top 20 by market capitalization. As Shib surged by more than 48 million%, anyone who bought $2 worth in January 2021 became a millionaire by November. Given that Shib is still less than 65% off its previous highs, all things considered, it remains the best cryptocurrency to buy in for 2022. Dogecoin had a strong start to 2021, but by the year's end Shiba Inu had surpassed it as the most popular meme coin. While Shib appeared better in the indexes, the initial excitement around Dogecoin died down as its price stayed flat for months. As a result, Shiba Inu's popularity skyrocketed, drawing in a slew of new investors. Just 1 year after its launch, Shiba Inu has more Twitter followers than Dogecoin. Even though Dogecoin had 3.1 million loyal Twitter followers, its rival performed better in terms of ownership. With 3,441,762 followers, Shiba has surpassed Dogecoin's 3,439,746. There are 2,220 less Twitter followers for Shib than Dogecoin at the moment. While Dogecoin became a Twitter user in December 2013, Shiba token didn't join the network until February 2021. Keeping to its slogan of being the Dogecoin killer, Shiba avoided all that Doge stood for. In terms of market capitalization, Shiba briefly overtook Doge in 2018 and knocked it out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Still, Shib has dropped to 12th place, and Doge has regained its status as the 10th biggest cryptocurrency. Large Shib and Doge holders reportedly traded their coins this week before the market drop, according to on-chain data research site Sentiment. The price peaks of Shiba Inu on August 14 and Dogecoin on August 16 were followed by large Shib and Doge transactions totaling $100,000 or more, which predicted price drops for both coins. As is customary, Sentiment noted that the whales' massive transactions on each network served as a precursor to their optimal profit-taking times. A number of individual Shiba Inu owners have responded to the news. That is why I contend that whales pose a threat to the genuine ship army. When the price goes up, even by a little bit, the whales profit and bring it down even further since they control the price. We can't afford to lose another zero without a massive new barn. The high total quantity of Shiba Inus, 1 quadrillion, was brought out by another commenter. Given the availability of such large numbers, do you genuinely believe Shib will achieve much? I mean it seriously. Shiba has helped me in the short run, but I've never been good at maintaining gains. Shiba Inu whales underwent a 40% price pump from August 7 to the 13th, just before this crash. Now that they seem to have turned a profit, the price of Shiba Inus has dropped 21% this week. In addition to apparently making preparations for Shiba Eternity download day, Shiba Inu is getting its Shiba Inu game ready for its official debut. Players in Vietnam can already participate in the Shiba Eternity test, and everyone is counting down the days until the game's official release. This Vietnam location wall may be evading certain gamers. The development team behind Shib had to quadruple the capacity of the servers. As a way to celebrate Shiba Eternity's complete launch, Shiba is organizing Download Day to give the game a boost right when it launches. Project leader Shitoshi Kozuma originally proposed the idea on the official Shib Discord server. According to him, they are organizing a download day and will encourage everyone to get the game, regardless of whether they ever pay any money. When it happens, we'll be able to take action. Shitoshi did not go into any detail, but he did promise that more information